y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video and maybe the thumbnail, we're going to be installing a V-part wig today, which I'm excited because V-part wigs are literally one of the easiest wigs that you can install. Honestly, all you got to do is braid your hair down and snap the wig on and go. It's like clip-ins, but way easier. So if you've never heard of V-part wigs, or if you've been wanting to try a V-part wig, I will show you this one today. So the hair that I'm using today is from Westkiss. Ooh. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But they sent me a 22-inch Jerry Curly V-part wig that looks like this. So this hair is super thick and super curly. So there's this little thing in the middle right here that you're going to be cutting off, and it's going to like split into a little V. And on each side of it, it has like these two clips right here that you can snap onto your hair. It has combs on the sides as well to snap onto the sides. There's an elastic band that's like sewn on into the wig. It also comes with the adjustable straps at the bottom and another comb right here. So this wig has lots of different features just to make sure it doesn't slip and slide off your head, because we don't want that. I am just gonna get ready to prep my hair for the V-part wig and install it. So if you want to see what that looks like, you gotta keep on watching. So because this is a curly V-part wig, I'm gonna try to blend my natural hair, because I am going to leave some hair out. You can do this style with no leave out, but I prefer doing leave out because to me it just looks more natural. I have other videos where I do V-part wig installs with no leave out, so if you want to see that, I'll link that down below. But I am going to try to blend this wig with my natural hair. So the first thing that I want to do though is prep my hair. I know I'm going to be doing a middle part for this wig, so ouch. So I'm just gonna take my comb and part my hair down the middle. And this is where my part is gonna be. I don't care if like this part is perfect because I'm just doing my leave out right now. I don't wanna leave out a ton of hair because my hair is short in the front. Like as you can tell, it's like real puny. I really just wanna try this without heat. Since it's like a curly wig, I'm thinking maybe it'll work, but we'll see. This is all the hair that I am going to be leaving out. And then on each side of my leave out, I'm going to part out enough hair just to make a braid, because I'm going to be making anchor braids. Once you're done, if you look like Coolio, that's how you know you did it right. It should look something like this. Oh, and I decided to put the back of my hair just in like two big braids going straight to the back. If you want to do a bunch of braids, you absolutely can, but DionaLatia don't have the patience for all that. So I'm just now folding up this braid here, and I'm just going to have it meet with this braid at the top. Use a bobby pin and pin it down. And then you should have something that looks like this. Ooh, just your leave out, this, and the back. Awesome. Now we get to install the wig. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking a pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut this little thing in the middle. Cut that off. And when you cut that, you should have something that looks like this. Hence the V part in the wig. So I like to put on my V part wigs starting with the clips at the top. Let me put this out of the way. So I open these clips and I'm gonna put them into my anchor braids at the top. But if it's not perfect, it's okay. Right now I'm just like adjusting everything to fit how I like. You just want to basically make sure it fits comfortably. This part, take your time with. Don't rush, because you don't want anything to be like tugging at your hair or anything like that. So something that I'm noticing about this wig is that they already kind of cut like an ear hole for you. Like the way it's shaped, it's shaped to count for the fact that you have an ear right here, which is actually really great. A lot of V-part wigs that I've used in the past actually didn't have that. It would just go straight down and you would have to force it behind. But the fact that it like automatically goes behind your ear is 2 thumbs up. Amazing. Alright, so once I'm satisfied with like how the V-part wig is sitting and how it's looking on my hair, now it's just time to go and like style everything. I'm just going to be using some water and my curling mousse from Cream of Nature. It looks like this. And yeah. And now I am parting my natural hair. I honestly think I probably should have left out a little more hair. But now what I'm doing is I'm just taking some water and just putting it on my natural hair. I'm going to try to like make my hair curl up. Even though I have like 4C hair and it's a completely different hair texture. I'm going to see if it works. Once my roots got curly, then it started making a little more sense because I was a little concerned at first. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. It looks like that. I'm happy with that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little diffuser thing on my blow dryer and I'm just gonna do the ends of this hair to like define the curls. But before I do that, I'm gonna spray some of this gloss spray on it from Afoji, and just because I want it to like really shine. Now this gloss spray, you do not need a lot at all. You need a little bit. A little bit of this stuff goes a very, 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 very long way. Just being honest. And then last but not least, I'm gonna do my edges. Even though you probably won't be able to like see anything because like how the hair falls, I still just want to style my edges. So for my edges, I'm using Edge Booster, the pink kind, because this works miracles. I don't know what they put in here, but it works, okay? I have 4C hair. I've not had a relaxer in like maybe like a year now. And this lays down my edges like I had a relaxer, and it stays. I think one last thing that I want to do is just frame my face a little bit with the curls. So I'm going to cut a little bit in the front. Just like frame my face, but besides that, like I don't even mind having like my edges look not super straight because of like the texture of this hair. It just looks very natural. I love this wig, and it's very hard for me to like love curly hair, to be honest, because a lot of curly hair, they're all the same, and it just, like, I don't know, it just, to me, it doesn't look right. But something about this curl pattern I really like it looks really natural and soft, like, and I love how I can blend my natural hair with it. Like this looks really, really good. But yeah, this wig is thick, it's light, it's secure. Like I can do my head like this. It's not going nowhere. We got all those clips in and everything. You don't need any glue. You don't need any heat. Like if you want a more defined curl, you can, but I like how it looks like this again because it blends better with my natural hair at the top. So there's that. Like, okay, maybe I can get a side-by-side comparison. So this is my natural hair right here, and then this is the wig right here. So it's like, it's blending. It's like meshing exactly how I need it to. All right, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Adios, till next time.